Hello friends, welcome to Just For You channel. Today in top 5 product listing video, I discuss about list of 5 best 5-star 1.5 ton Windows AC for home. Those are power consuming and in your budget. I also discuss those features and specifications. So let's talk about it. Number 1. Voltas 1.5 ton 5-star Windows AC. Voltas 1.5 ton Windows AC comes with white color body and its build quality is good. It also has copper condenser, so it is long lasting. It is easily fit in your window and keeps cool your room for a long time. It has lots of features like auto swing, sleep mode and many more. It also has intelligent dehumidification function which prevents damp during rainy days. It also has inbuilt anti-dust filter so it can protect your room from dust and gives you fresh and cool air. Its energy rating is 5 stars and consuming very low electricity, so it will save your electricity bill. Number 2. Carrier 18K Estrela Premium Window AC. Carrier 18K Estrela Premium Window AC comes with white color body and its build quality is good with copper condenser. This window AC comes with 1.5 ton capacity and its energy rating is 5 star. Its voltage capacity has 230 volts and wattage capacity has 1560 watts. It has advanced energy saving function which shut off the fan motor when the compressor is switched off. It also has dust filter, electrostatic filter, carbon filter and geolite filter. Number 3. Bluestar 5W18GA Windows AC. Bluestar 5W18GA Windows AC comes with white color body and its build quality is good. This window AC comes with 1.5 ton capacity and its energy rating is 5 star with copper condenser. Its voltage capacity is 230 volts and wattage capacity is 1505 watts. It has long distance blower for its multi-fan speed. It has lots of features like sleep mode, auto mode, heat mode, dry mode and fan mode. Number 4. Whirlpool 1.5 ton 5-star Windows AC. Whirlpool Windows AC comes with white color body and its build quality is very good. It also has copper condenser which performs for a long time and consumes low power. This AC capacity is 1.5 ton and its energy rating is 5 star. Its voltage capacity has 230 volts. It provides instant comfort with super fast cooling. Number 5. LG LWA 5CS5A L Crescent Plus Windows AC. This LG Windows AC comes with white color body and its build quality is very good. It also has copper condenser which performs for a long time and consumes low power. This Windows AC comes with 1.5 ton capacity and its energy rating is 5 star. Its voltage capacity has 230 volts. It can kill the bacteria and any germs for its special fine mesh filter. It can also keeps your room comfortable for its automatic fan control and save electricity. The sleep mode timer allows you to turn on or off the AC at the sleeping time. Hope you like this video. If you like this, please thumbs up below. If you are a new viewer, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on notification bell, get upcoming video notification in your mailbox. Feel free to comment and share this video. Thanks for watching.